You don't have to sacrifice for anything, Grace. Kung iniisip mong i-call off ang inyong engagement, no. It's ironic. I have eyes, pero hindi ko nakita agad ang nakita ni Edward sa'yo. Parang ako yata ang bulag. Because I didn't immediately see that you have such a loving heart. And for that, I'm sorry, Grace. I know that you will be the perfect wife for Edward.
Thank you, Pa. I really, really appreciate that. Grace is gonna be a great wife. Just like Ma.
Salamat po, Tito Anton.
So, Papa? Start calling him Papa. Enough of a drama.
I think I like that.
Enough of a drama because we have to make preparations soonest. And don't you worry, Grace. Ako lahat ang mag-aasikaso. First, there should be wedding coordinators that have to call banks. Huh?
Yeah.
And there's this church na nirecommend ng mga amiga ko and they say it's solemn, beautiful church, good location. So what else do you want?
Kaya ka bang maging biyanan to?
Meron sa'yo ba?
Are you happy?
Very. May mahihiling pa ba ako? Pinaglaban mo talaga ako. Hindi ka sumuko.
Well, kahit umayaw ka naman sa akin, hindi kita titigilan. Not until you've seen my point. Grace, I absolutely love you, and nothing is gonna stop me from marrying you.
Thank you, Edward.
I love you, Grace.
I love you, Edward.
Nagkausap na kami ni Mama Stella. Agree rin siya na mas maganda nga kung iisa lang ang theme. From the pre-pictorial to the engagement party until the wedding day itself. And we're also going to do an engagement party AVP. So, kailangan natin na mas maraming family pictures ng bride and groom.
Edward! Dala mo ba yung pictures niyo?
May isa akong album dito.
Ay, patingin. Okay. Ang cute! Oh, parang hindi ikaw. Bakit? Edward, ang payat mo dito. Parang nagda-diet ka.
Oo nga eh. Mahina kasi,
Payatot.
mahina kasi ako kumain dati.
Fairness, ah. Eh, sino naman to, Edward? Palagi mong kasama sa picture, eh.
Oh, yan yung kuya ko. Kuya William.
May kapatid ka?
Mm-hmm.
You never said anything.
Yeah. It's a long story. Wala na siya eh.
Oh, sorry. Condolence kahit late.
No. Diana, hindi. Buhay pa yung kuya ko. It's just that matagal ko na siyang hindi nakakita. Yun lang.
Pero cute pa rin kayo.
Thank you.